What up, Crab? Holy, was the first one to join. Fire. Bro, I just hope I can get a one and done type of day, bro. I don't want to stay on the chart for too long. Good morning, Alec. How was y'all weekends, man? Bro. All right, going into today, obviously we had 8:30 a.m. news. Now for the rest of the day, I mean, we have a yellow folder pending, but news is out the way, so we can get rid of this. I think we're gonna take out these highs. If you continue on up, we have draws above. There's a daily fair value gap that we could target up here. We're not in any 4-hour, 1-hour gap right now, but basically would want us to sweep, form some sort of structure, and continue down low. Yo, what up, Ben? Good. Play soccer. Legs are cooked, bro. My legs are cooked. I'm cooked itself, bro. I mean, I didn't even do much. I was just at the beach and stuff this weekend. So spent some time with my friends and their family. It was good. I got 4 more days of fasting until I don't have to fast anymore. We're almost there. All right, New York open. Let's see if we can take out these highs. A lot of people just, honestly, I've seen a lot of people look for like a 1 minute, for example, like this, and just target this high. But for example, like today, if they tried that, probably would have gotten cooked. I just hope we don't just dump without taking any liquidity out. So I mean, I wish we took out London highs. We're just running right now. Because this is a 15-minute that we can take an entry off of to the short side, but market just opened, so I'm not looking to take anything at least to like 10 minutes. All right, there goes those highs. Come on, take out those highs. There we go. All right, London highs got took. ES hasn't took it out yet. Wait, did we take them out? Bruh, we edged it. Like, what are we doing? It is also a Monday morning, so if I don't get anything I like, I'll be perfectly fine with staying cash on the day. Don't want to force anything. Damn, we didn't even take out London highs yet. We literally just edged it. Hopefully today, every day, I start off with the first L and then we finish it up. So today I'm hoping that we just one and done. That's all I need. If I could get a one and done, I'll be happy. Surely we take out London highs, right? Surely we take out London highs up this push, right? No way. Okay, there we go. Okay. London highs got took. On ES, no, but on NQ we did. Now we have this 1 hour high. It's also another 1 hour high up top. Also a 4 hour high. And then a 1 hour gap. Or not 1 hour, the daily gap. So we could just form structures to the upside and, see ourselves around the 840 range. But I would like us to, dump. Because in here, there's no gaps for me to take any entry off of. So kind of just left here, just waiting, honestly. Just gotta stay patient around this area price. Did anybody see the baseball game yesterday? USA and Dominican Republic. I ain't gonna lie, that was a ball. That was not a strike. The way that game ended was crazy. Alright, come on, Price, do something. That's why I hate Mondays. It's always really slow. Always. What's your favorite day to trade? I feel like for me, I do the best on like a Wednesday or like a Thursday during the week. Usually because there's always price moving really, really good. You always have news to trade off of. It just moves a lot smoother, honestly. My worst, least favorite days to trade is Monday and Fridays. I hate those 2 days. During the week, we're chilling. So I know, going into every single week, I have to stay extra patient on days like Mondays and Fridays. For that reason. I hate Fridays, yeah. This Friday, we have no news or anything like that. Plus, for me, it's Eid. So I'm going to spend the whole day with my family. So this literally couldn't have played out any better. No news, nothing. I'm literally just going to take the whole day off. But this is the weekly news calendar. We have 10 a.m. news tomorrow. So more than likely we're going to move tomorrow. PPI and then FOMC on Wednesday. So we probably have to get done fairly quickly. Because usually leading up to FOMC, we just chop. And then we got unemployment claims 8:30 and new home sales, and then take the day off Friday. Yo, what's up? How are you, pal? I'm chilling, Elliot. Are you ready, bro? I gotta hop on a call with you at... Wait. Let me look at my calendar. I should have Google Meets on my phone, bro. I don't have it here. Hold on, let me download it. I got so many calls today, but it's okay. Get everything out the way today, and then Friday we have a call. 3:30. Lifting today to win. Yeah, after I break my fast. I didn't wake up to eat again, bro. I had my alarm set. I woke up at 6:40. It's bad. Couldn't even eat. I just woke up and I looked at the clock. I'm like, damn, I woke up too late. Went back to bed. Hell yeah, I'm even dreaming with the graphics. Bro. First gonna be dreaming about candlesticks every day. Alright. ES tapped into London highs and we just sold off from there. Yeah. Triple wick now, we starting to pull back a little bit. Yeah. I'm honestly just waiting for us to get around this range, so 608 for me to take some shorts potentially. I'll use this gap, this 15-minute, as like confirmation, like 643 and stuff. But yeah, no, we had a crazy move up in the overnight session yesterday. Brother, I almost got tapped into some shorts. I'm glad we didn't get the entry because that would have been an instant stop out. I remember I posted it in my Discord. I was like, yo, if we invest this 15-minute, I'll get in some shorts. We tapped it into the CE of the gap and we just ran up. Had we had closed below, I would be in those positions and I would be down. I would be down probably $300 going into today. So that was the sign for me to not trade Asia. I just waited. We got $1,330 in drawdown for these accounts. What's your analysis for today? Going into today, I wanted us to take out London highs, which we did. Now, we have room to the upside around this 1 hour, this daily gap that we have, and this both are highs on the 1 and the 4 hour. I want us to form some sort of structure and hit these lows, honestly. If you could do that, if my bias is correct, we'll make a lot of money. But right now, I mean, we're just indecisive. So, best thing to do here is just wait till price picks a side. And we just, hopefully we can get an entry model and go from there. Alright, ES finally took out London highs. So now for ES going to the upside, we have these highs that we can go towards. And do we have a gap? We do also have a gap on ES, so but ES and NQ are moving differently right now. For example, look at the 15 and look at the 15 here. Something I'm not a fan of right now. But yeah, hopefully get some sales going here soon. If not, I mean, it's a Monday. My goal for this week is to maybe get these accounts at 51K if I could. and then next week get them to pay out bound. Morning, Za. What up, fishy? Good morning, bro. What about you guys? What are you looking for? Trump to hold a news conference at 11:45. Okay, so we have 2 hours to call it before Trump just ruins the market. I gotta do my March Madness bracket, bro. I'm gonna do it today. Gonna make like 1 or 2 brackets. Hopefully we can get one to fall through. The chance of that happening is slim to none, but hey, you never know, right? I'm looking for longs off of London highs, hopefully. Yeah, we could target these highs, 766. We have 80, 805, and then we also have this daily gap. So honestly, both are in favor. I'm trying to see us inverse this gap and then possibly take a trade around this 5-minute. If you could get that and we see some continuation, you will be paid. Literally just need for us to hit these lows and we would be paid. Because I'm only aiming for 30 points on these lightning funded accounts. Oh no, I need 60 points because I'm trading 5 micros again. So I would need probably towards this gap right here. Damn, that's low key. But I mean, if we're going down with momentum, we can easily get 60 points. We'll see. Friday was just a battle for me. I caught 80 points, went back up, got break even, got back in with 2 micros, added into my position. It was insane. I don't know how I ended up green, honestly. But not complaining. We could also go short, and I could short below Asia high if it breaks and retests to the downside. Yeah. But for that to happen for you, bro, you have to wait 230 points. By then, I'll be done. I'll be getting ready for tomorrow. ES is going towards this high a lot quicker than NQ. Definitely leading. There is this 15-minute right here that we can possibly use to go to the upside. Yeah. Would have to wait for a closure above though. Nasty 5-minute gap hold. Yeah. Yeah. Looks like we're going to hit these highs pretty soon. We're about 10 points away on ES. And about 33 points on NQ. I did miss my entry on this trade though. My entry would have been 721, but off of this right here. Close to like a 1-to-1 if you do take this. I don't know. I didn't set anything yet. Yo, what up, Trosh? That boy finally back to trading, question mark? We also have this 1 minute that we can just inverse to the downside. Because ES is also following that structure right now. Kind of wanted us to take out these highs, man. Like 30 points out. In longs at 723, looking for 118 points, 59 points for TP, break even at 47. I don't know if it wants to push yet though. Yeah, we will have to see. What's your stops at, Fish? Aiming for 118 points at from 723. 118. Oh, brother. Hold on. I gotta zoom out a little bit. Oh, that's too much. Oh, the gap, basically. Stops at 664. So basically, my entry, or no, I wouldn't get an entry here. Either I get an entry with a strong closure here, and write it down to maybe about this low right here. Sounds like a restaurant in the background. Yeah, my friend got his family over, so they're making breakfast and stuff. I can't eat right now, so, you know, I'm just here. Elevator type ass music. Oh yeah, this. It's to calm the nerves, man. I have realized when I have jazz music playing, I am super patient with my trades, which is something that benefits me. So if it benefits you guys, do it. We got a strong burger structure towards the upside and heavy volume after retesting London high is the reason I hopped in. Bro, trust, soft trumpet jazz is the shit. Yeah. On that 945 candle. Let me see. This candle, yeah. I honestly would have hopped in longs right here too. Not gonna lie. But I just literally just missed my entry while I was looking for it, and then I thought about it, and I'm like, nah, I'll be fine. Today is literally just testing how patient you could be when it comes to the markets. That's all it is on Mondays. Let me see if bro took anything. I'm gonna join Gabe's live real quick if he's live. Oh, he's live. Let's see if Gabe took anything. Nope, he's still just looking. Might be better that you missed it. Looks like the market may want to refuse highs. Yeah. I mean, the draw towards these highs were kind of clear, bro. It's just momentum just slowed down on both ES and NQ. Bro, if I need some dubs for this LF. I mean, the trade's still not over, bro. You got time. You got time, bro. Anything can happen. Oh, look at this. We're just consolidating. If we do get in these shorts, probably enter somewhere around here. First TP would definitely be here, obviously. Would want to see us keep on continuing down. Yeah, this will be like close to a 1-to-1. Probably on my stops right here. Something like this. Would you look at the 2-minute for an entry? It seems to have a better RR. I haven't really tested out my strat on the 2-minute. I've only done it on the 1-minute. That's why. Seen a lot of people start using 2-minute, 1-minute. Oh no, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. I personally haven't tested it, so I don't know the win rate. Would it be with a 2-minute entry compared to a 1-minute? Alright, Trump is talking. He said the oil prices will drop like a rock as soon as it's over. Iran's not ready for a deal. Says no major destruction. No major destruction of Iran's infrastructure. Why NQ moving so slow? It's a Monday, no news. That's why. Plus, I mean, Trump is talking right now, so I want to stay away. Trump saying that the war will end soon. That is bullish. I think we're going to take out these highs now. Why Trump talking? I used to enjoy Trump talking a bit. Nowadays, it's so annoying. Oh, we're kind of in the middle of a war here. Yeah, this is gonna be good for Fishy since he's in longs. For me though, I mean, I probably will just have no trade today. It used to be he says anything and you print on longs. Now the market don't know what it wants. Yeah. And he also has a conference at 11:45, I think. So he's gonna talk the whole day basically. Housing market index is dropping in 2 minutes. Yellow folder. Nope. Dude, I gotta get a new mic stand. This one creaks a little bit too much. Yo, hold on. Wait, what? This forums here. Anyone else going long? You caught both examples of the EMA flip entries. Someone's telling you to sell JPB, GPB, JPY. What if I take a trade off the Forex Factory forums? No one has ever done that before. I entered sell again around 50.30. Alright, well, did it drop? Nope, not yet. Yo, Yosi, did you see the video dropped on TGR? I did not. What happened? Isn't he doing the 24/7 stream right now? How long is the video? Wait, look, you want to see it? If it's that interesting, I just don't know what it's about. I sent in OG chat. Iman Trading exposed him deeply as a fraud. 41 minutes. What, with trading? Or I mean, does the guy even care, bro? He made so much money already. Housing came out bullish on FX Factory. Yeah. Nah, TJR don't give a fuck. Yeah. He's literally set up, bro. He's set for life. Housing don't do much for us though. Yeah. Faking his crypto profits, taking friends' money, one-on-one funding fraud, his blueprint mastermind scam. Oh shit, I'm gonna have to watch that today. You said you put in the OG chat? I'll click on it and watch it. If it doesn't get taken down. Trump declines to comment on deploying ground troops in Iran. Beer. But at the end of the day, he makes enough just to leave the face of the earth and he'll be fine. Yeah. He already made his money. Dude, can we do something? I hope I could watch it before someone takes it down, though. If it's something really that bad, they would 100% take it down soon. So I have to watch it pretty quick. Can we just run now? Yeah, do something, bro. They already took it down once, but Iman put it back up. This guy has balls. Yeah. Damn, I have to like save it or something. I don't know. So you look for continuation trades? Yeah, basically off the market. Basically, I don't want to go against the trend, but I usually go for trades whenever the market flips its trend. So right now, like, we can easily target these highs, but like I don't really have an entry model to go off of. I'm looking for sells because we have more areas of my entries around here compared to here. There's just price targets. So I'm not saying like, oh, we're just gonna dump and stuff. We can very much likely take out these highs and just keep on running up for the day. And if that's the case, I just want to take a trade. But around here, there's no areas for me to take a trade or anything. There's no gaps, nothing. So that's what it is. His first blueprint has 500 people in at 4,000 each. Made 2 mil off his blueprint that people took. It was a revamp of his free boot camp series. 2 mil off of, damn, that guy bagged. Holy. Here's the thing, bro. I don't care about mentorships. Like, I don't care if somebody sells one, as long as you provide value, bro. That's, if it's just not helpful to the people that pay, now you're just doing something wrong. That's just unethical. Like, go ahead, sell a mentorship. But if you actually help people and actually, you see results and stuff, that's perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with that. And then there's people that just get one payout and decide they can open a mentorship, and that's who I got a problem with. Alright, looks like we're coming back down again. But brother, we're just sitting ducks at this point, yo. For this Loki as I am, please don't have any allegations come up with you. It's gonna be nothing, bro. Anything I do is legit. Don't say that we want long. Yeah. We want long, but we also want some shorts. You don't even have a paid Discord no more. Yeah, everything is just free. The only thing is just the mentorship that start today actually. I gotta do 6 calls today, more calls on Fridays, one-on-ones, group calls. I'm starting to make like a template for them to make sure they're journaling their trades with the group calls and stuff and the one-on-one calls. It's all going to be noted. So all the notes, everything will be getting taken for them. I'm trying to help everybody out there. I'm trying to help them out as much as I can. And while all this is happening, there might be a little cheeky. You see that? I don't know if you guys can see that. Sorry that I won't ever take your mentorship. I love you, Risky, but nothing you provide is of any value to me at this point besides your love. Yeah, I mean that's perfectly fine. You seem like you know what you're doing, so keep at it. My job is to help out people that need to find a strategy or they're struggling with their psychology or something. If you already got that check, I mean, shit. Know what I'm doing and doing it well. Maybe two different things, but we're making it a progress. That's all that matters. When you come to Orlando, I'm going this week. I'll be there on the 19th. I gotta be with my family on the 20th, so need a push. Yeah. We're just chopping up, bro. I kind of want to get off. There's nothing happening. I feel like I've been watching this market for like 2 hours. It's only been 30 minutes. What part of Orlando you're staying in? Yo, is bro trying to get me killed? If it go to 770, I can go break even. I'm in with 8 micro. This shit moving so slow. I wanted shorts below 692, but we keep respecting that bullish gaps. 300 away from a payout against. I'll probably call it today. No point in sitting around and potentially forcing. Yeah. If you don't see what you like, don't trade it. Did you take a trade yet? No, I did not take anything. I am break even on the day. I haven't even attempted to take anything today. It's just like the delivery is just not there right now. I'd say Asia gonna look better. Asia has been running up. It's been moving a lot recently. I've been staring at the last two connections categories for 10 minutes. I have no clue. Well, can't spell Wordle ever. Okay. Drake, man. I took the highs that Eli posted, last night. Yeah, Eli took he banked off longs last night. Drain. Oh, okay. We got 2 left. Draco. Just do Draco just for the fun of it. Damn, it's not Draco. Draws on liquidity. Nope, no draws on liquidity. Draft, no. We're pushing up, boys. Oh, never mind. I thought we were pushing up. Draft, no, it can't be draft. No T. Dude, this is... Oh my god, what is this sell-off? Yo, why you choose Tampa? The city's amazing. Um, when I was looking to move, I was down to either moving to downtown Orlando, which is super ghetto. If you've ever been in downtown Orlando, you know why I don't want to stay there. Downtown Miami is too hectic, too far from family, and then Tampa is just right here. Ah! Hold on. We might be. I don't know, bro. This is bad. ES took out those highs, so we have an SMT. Downtown Orlando, hell no. Yeah, exactly. Dramp. That's not even a word. What was I thinking? I forget. I'm on the 15 minute on my trader base. I'm like, oh, we're pushing back up. Next thing you know, no, we're not. You also have this 1 minute right here. Let's see what we do around it. Bro, like, what could this be? Oh my, bro, what are we doing? Look at what Gabe just sent me. What? What the fuck? Why is this on my screen? Brother, is bro in longs? So we have, let's diagnose this. We have some gold coins, we have some Jews, and then we have me. I don't know. Wait, are you looking for shorts? What are we doing? What does this picture mean? We need the gold coins. Oh, okay. You guys are in longs. Okay. Oh, let me re-diagnose this. Hold on, I could join on my phone. Hold on.
Drama, maybe.
All right, well, we're here. Let's see his position.
Alright, we're up 23 points. We were 5 points away from big even. Big even?
718 in.
What price are you still shopping?
All right, well, Gabe's in longs. Off 718, yo. So we kind of deep. I mean, as long as I'm probably not gonna take a trade today. I got the Wordle, drama maybe. It could very well just be drama. Bang! Let's go, fishy. All right, now we gotta do connections. Okay. No, it's going towards me. 718, damn. He's up like 11 points right now. The fuck is connections? So in here you gotta make groups of four. 4 groups of 4. And I don't know anything right now. I'm trying to see. Oh, what a push. What a flip. Uh-oh. Finally figured out the connection. The mark is annoying the piss out of me. Yeah, bro, looking at this, I don't want to get into anything. The delivery's just so poor today. Nothing's happening. First category is groups of animals. Okay. That makes sloth. Um, that's all I got. If y'all not in a trade, just log off. Literally. 764, bro. Come on. Give it to him. Give it to him. Oh, 765. No way. It edged. No way. No way. Oh, this is terrible. Alright. Group of animals. Sloth. And then I'm pretty sure all these other are just going to be like nicknames or something. I don't know. Second is things associated with being slow. That's all I'm giving out for the free ski. We'll be needing a LF code for any more hints. Okay. Things that are slow. Sloth. Traffic is slow. Yeah, I don't know, bro. I'm just going to start guessing. But yo, look at this price. This price is actually disgusting. No shot, bro. Hold on, let me go to Gabe's stream. See if he got break even or anything.
50-year and the live thing will work 100%. How do we feel about this? Did we hit B? Oh my god, we got S again. Show the interior. But look how clean. It's got the carbon fiber center too.
Alright, this guy's just looking at cars.
Did it go BE? No, I didn't. Almost. We were 4 points.
Oh god.
Look at, oh my god, it's so tough.
What even is this? I don't know, bro. This is bad.
That bitch is hard. Pressure. It's either that or we go. You're not going that route. You're not. It's easy on them. And they dropped the price. Did they? Is it 140 right now? Yeah, 140 now. Nah, it's the same.
Brother, this price is like watching paint dry. Is that CRV in this live? Nah, that's Gabe. It's Gabe squared. That's what's happening. I don't think we're gonna get shorts. I don't think we're gonna get shorts. There's a push. There's just nothing. I'm about to log off, honestly. Oh. No way, he didn't get break even right there. Wow. Yeah, this market is out to get us, bro. I'm about to call it. No trades for me. No trades for me today. Yeah, I'm calling it and locking out for the day. Here, you guys will watch me lock out. Ready? Bam. End of trading day. No trading. We're done. I would see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, don't trade today.